How to hide chat in Twitch mobile app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can hide chats in Twitch mobile app. If you're on an iOS device, either way the procedure is gonna remain the same, so don't worry about it. Now to begin with, update your application first of all and then log into your Twitch mobile account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page. Now go to the chat page or just directly go to the discover page, and right over here you'll need to open up the particular chat what you actually want to hide. So for example, I'm just gonna go with this particular streaming, and so basically what you need to do is, in order to hide the chat, you'll need to make it sideways. So you'll need to make it or enable full screen. So make sure to tap on the full screen mode located in the bottom right hand side corner. After that, once you enable it sideways, you can see this is how it's gonna appear. Now you'll need to basically tap on the video or the streaming, and after that you can see there's the chat icon located right at the bottom. Just tap on it and now you'll be able to see the chat page. If you want to hide it, so just tap on the icon located right over here once again, and as you can see that the chat has been hid. Similarly, in order to bring it back, tap right in center of the streaming, and after that just tap on this icon located right in the corner. Now you can see the chat. So in this way you can unhide chat in Twitch mobile app. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.